Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error. Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time in Rockstar Games. Let's jump straight into it. If you're seeing this error while logging in or using the Rockstar Launcher, the first thing you should check is your VPN. If you have any VPN turned on, disable it completely. VPNs can block or slow down Rockstar servers, which causes this error. Just disconnect and try again. Next, check your date and time settings. Go to your PC's date and time, then turn on set time zone automatically and set time automatically. An incorrect time can prevent Rockstar from connecting properly. If the issue is still there, open Rockstar's website in your browser, sign in, go to account settings, then link accounts. Unlink everything, save it, then link them again. And if nothing works, submit a ticket to Rockstar support and explain the issue. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.